Hi everyone, welcome to this presentation on biology presented to you by myself, Miss Carney.
And Miss Van Dam. Biology is a board developed course, 2 units, and you'll end up with an ATAR score. It explores the diversity of life in both planets and animals.
Hang on a second, Miss Van Dam, you mean plants, right, not planets?
It's not astronomy, I meant plants. So we're looking at plants and animals from a molecular level, which means itsy bitsy witsy, to a functioning living organism and its interactions within its environment.
So can you tell me a little bit about the Year 11 course?
Sure can. Okay, so the Year 11 course consists of 4 modules, which are assumed knowledge and a prerequisite for the HSC. Module 1 and 2 focus on cells and their functioning, and Module 3 and 4 look at biological diversity, ecology, and the array of animals and plants in our world, along with the impact of humans, what we're doing to our planet.
Oh yes, we've had quite an impact. Actually, Year 11 did their assessment task on that this year. They looked at the human impact that they've had on endangered species.
There are quite a few of those.
Or how about I tell you about Year 12
I'd
now?
love to hear about Year 12.
So Year 12, we also have 4 modules, and we start off with hereditary and then follow into genetic change. So what we're looking at in those 2 models is the structure of DNA, how information is passed down through generations, but we also look at biotechnology applications such as gene therapy, transgenics, and artificial pollination.
Can I get taller?
Oh, I think it's a little bit late for that. We then move into Module 7 and 8, infectious disease and non-infectious disease. And you can guarantee that we're going to complete a case study on coronavirus.
Oh, not the dreaded COVID-19.
So our non-infectious disease module will be looking at some different body systems, such as the nervous system and the endocrine system, how they help to maintain bodily functions, as well as dissections that are the brain, the eye, and the kidney.
I love a good dissection. Well, what can you tell me about Taronga Zoo? That looks interesting.
So Taronga Zoo is a new excursion for Year 11 that we're incorporating into the mandatory depth study. So what it is, it's a 2-hour workshop covering the adaptations of living organisms, the evolution of species, first set out by the one and only Charles Darwin, and the Taurus cane toad and its impact on ecosystems in Australia. We also have the opportunity to explore the zoo. I'm looking forward to seeing the seal show. What about you, Miss Van Dam?
Oh, I love a little penguin. Oh, we've also got an excursion in Year 12. We're off to the Museum of Human Disease. That'll be interesting. Lots of displays there.
Yeah, you can even see a teratoma.
Oh, what's a teratoma? Is that how you say it?
Yes, a teratoma.
Teratoma.
So a teratoma is a tumour that has different types of body tissues in it, so like hair and teeth. It's really gross, but it's really cool at the same time.
Oh, looking forward to that. Careers in biology. Well, you can see there are lots of different things that you can do if you study biology, if you're interested in any careers that are related to medicine, also to ecology. Any other there?
So you can also look at becoming a science teacher like myself and Miss Van Dam, but you can also look at horticulturalism, vet nursing, sports science. You don't have to go to university to be able to do some of these careers. You can also go to TAFE. So biology is excellent as a prerequisite for TAFE, but also for university as well.
Oh, what have we got here? I can see food.
Oh, so these are some of the models that we did with Year 11 this year, looking at plant and animal cells. But we also looked at one called the fluid mosaic model, which is all about the movement of materials into cells and out of cells.
Ah, cell membrane.
Yes, cell membrane. And then some of the models that you can see as well are from Year 12 step study this year. So there's one on polypeptide synthesis, so that's the formation of proteins, DNA replication, so how we get lots of our DNA into different parts of our cells, and meiosis, which is a type of sexual reproduction.
Why are we always building models in biology?
Well, models are a really great way to help us understand the different components involved in biology. Because lots of the parts that we study are very, very small, making models helps us to actually analyse these in more detail.
Plus, we like to eat food.
Oh, yes, we do. Well, thanks everyone for listening to our video today. If you have any questions, please make sure that you have a chat to myself, Miss Carney, or have a chat to Miss Van Dam. Thanks everyone.
Bye.